Hey, princess. How are you? What's your name?
Anna?
You're Anna?
Yeah.
And whose dress is this?
Anna dress?
And can you show me style? And give me a smile. Show me a crown. Show me. And show me a waterfall. Do you have a waterfall?
Yeah. Right there.
Wow. Is this your waterfall?
Yeah.
Wow. And where is the wheel? Let's see the wheel. There is
The wheels go the car go round.
Yeah, that's a Ferris wheel.
Yeah.
And this
Turn
is the
on
bridge.
fan. Yeah.
This is the bridge to go to US, and that's their US side mini tiny waterfall. And this is from the US side. People are watching by the fall.
Yeah, I see that.
And this is our Canadian Horseshoe Fall.
Yeah, you should know my now in the Princess Ball.
Let's look
go
at
the castle.
We're gonna look at their parking, like Canadian side, from here to all the way, all the way,
Yeah.
all the way, 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 there, and there, and there.
Yeah, I just turn on the light. I get the green.
So we are giving all this water free to USA, right?
Yeah. And then like my dress. I just now.